Man, I work so hard, but I feel like money just doesn't stay in my hands. Dude, that's the game. Understanding and managing money is more important than earning it. Have you read The Psychology of Money? I've heard of it, but haven't read it. In this video, we'll look at 7 important points from The Psychology of Money and learn how we can apply them to our lives. You can completely change your financial game by applying these important points to your life. So, let's begin. First lesson. If you want to be rich, don't show off. Your true wealth is your bank balance and your investments, not your car or your clothes. If you avoid unnecessary expenses on showing off, you'll save money. Your bank balance and investments will remain strong. You will have financial security, so you'll never have to bow down to anyone. Invest 20% of your income every month instead of buying expensive things. Amit has a bank balance of 50 lakh rupees, but he drives a simple car, while Sanjay has an expensive car but is drowned in debt. Who is truly rich? Second lesson. You have to sacrifice something to earn or save money, either comfort, time, or peace. Either comfort or time or peace. If you spend smartly, you'll stop wasting money. A little hard work now will bring comfort in the future. Your financial decisions will be better. Instead of buying expensive things on EMI, make it a habit to buy them with your savings. Ravi borrowed money to buy an iPhone and paid off the debt for 2 years, while Sumit saved for 6 months and bought it, remaining tension-free. Third lesson. Getting rich and staying rich are 2 different things. Earning money is difficult, but maintaining it is even more difficult. If you spend without thinking, there's no point in getting rich. If you spend wisely, your money will last a long time. Your financial stability will remain. You'll avoid greed and invest in the right places. Along with increasing your income, control your expenses and create an emergency fund. Rakesh earned millions from his business, but blew it all away and went bankrupt. On the other hand, Mohan invested the money he earned and became a millionaire. Fourth lesson. Make a financial plan so that even if there's a big setback, your money stays safe. If you create an emergency fund, you won't have trouble in any crisis. Your peace of mind will remain. You'll be able to use your money correctly without fear. Keep at least 6 months' worth of emergency funds in your bank. Anil lost his job, but he had 6 months of savings, so he could look for a new job without stress. Fifth lesson. If you're always afraid of running out of money, you won't be able to make the right decisions. Money grows in the long term, just be patient. If you are patient, your money will grow on its own. Don't panic over small losses, but learn from them and move forward. You will have long-term growth. Learn to be patient when investing in the stock market. Don't panic and sell at every dip. Suresh bought shares 10 years ago and remained patient. Now his investment has increased tenfold. Seventh lesson. You don't need to adopt any complicated strategy to grow your money. Just reduce expenses, increase savings, and invest in the right place. If you reduce expenses and increase savings, your money will grow automatically. You can become rich without unnecessary stress. Adopting a simple investment strategy will benefit you in the long term. Invest a fixed amount in a SIP every month and forget about it. AJ invests 5,000 rupees in a SIP every month. In 20 years, it will turn into crores. Dude, you've opened my eyes. From now on, I will not only focus on earning money, but also on managing it correctly. That's the right mindset. Earning money is easy, but saving and growing it is an art. Be smart, invest, and become financially free. If you liked these points, like the video, share it, and take the first step towards financial freedom. See you in the next video with another new lesson. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.